Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change page color in MS Word document. So first of all, open MS Word. Now click on Design. Here is the option Page Color. So click on it and select any color which you want to use in your MS Word document. That's it. So by this easy and simple setting, you can change page color of MS Word document. And if you want to remove page color, so again click on page color and here select no color. So check this box. So color will be removed. So by this easy and simple setting, you can change MS Word document page color. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.